Are you looking for an experienced and passionate content creator to talk to your audience or to be a reliable source for your next article or broadcast? I'm April J. Harris, and I can help. I'm a writer and lifestyle blogger, and over the past 20 years, my audience at apriljharris.com has grown into a thriving community who return again and again for delicious recipes, ideas to help them make the most of their home, travel stories and tips, and inspiration to help them embrace their own unique style. It's an incredible privilege to be able to reach such a wide audience, an audience that's genuinely engaged, not just through my blog and social media, but also through online cooking classes, podcasts, and traditional media. Unusually for a blog, my audience is incredibly diverse through all the demographics and has an almost even split across all the age ranges. It's wonderful to be able to share my passion for local, seasonal food and recipes that bring people round the table to nourish both body and soul. I'm an expert home cook, and my recipes are easy to make. Most are practical, frugal, and perfect for busy families. One of the things I love about reaching across such a broad demographic is the reader feedback that I get. This week alone, I had a photograph sent in by Max, who's doing his GCSE in food tech, and had made one of my recipes as part of his food portfolio. Another photograph was sent in by Barb, a busy mum, who'd made 2 of my apple pecan cakes for a family celebration. The people I reach want to make the most of home and family life, including ideas for times when money's tight. They love travel and enjoy the finer things in life, but my philosophy is that finer doesn't have to mean more expensive. So when they do choose to treat themselves, I can offer them ideas and inspiration so that they not only enjoy the experience, but feel they've had good value for money. Sharing inspiring travel stories and practical travel tips means I can help people enjoy the journey right from the planning stages of the trip on through the actual traveling, as well as when they arrive at their destination. I'm passionate about helping people celebrate their lives, fulfill their dreams, harness their style, and realize just how amazing they are. It's all about making the most of life at home and away. So if you need an experienced and passionate content creator to talk to your audience or to be a reliable source for your next article or broadcast, drop me an email at april@apriljharris.com. I look forward to hearing from you.